So what I was working on something today and my son cut my multimeter leads. Yeah, I was very disappointed. Well, these are Fluke leads and they do not come cheap. It'll cost you at least $30 to buy the new ones. And he cut both of them actually, the positive and the negative ones. So I fixed the negative one. And you know what? I thought all of a sudden I remembered that maybe, just maybe, at some point you guys may face something like this. And how do we find a solution to, fix them properly? You can definitely solder them and put a tape on it, but how do you make it look good? It's extremely simple actually. What you need is something like these. These are what you call them as heat shrink tubes. You just have to buy them off eBay or AliExpress, and you get them in packets like this. Yeah, and they cost like $1 or $2. So here's the plan. What we're gonna do is we're gonna strip them off over here, join them, solder them, and then shrink this up. It's very easy, not complicated at all. I have ordered a pair of extra leads because I'm not very comfortable working with leads that are soldered back, and that's just not the problem actually. The issue is this particular lead was cut several times. So what you see over here is just a short piece of it. There are a couple of other pieces of the cable. So if I need to extend it somewhere, if I'm working on a project, I won't be able to. So what you could do is strip it out like this first. Okay, make it a little bit shiny so you take off the oxidation that happens. And what you should not forget at this point is to put this heat shrink tube over here like this on one side, and then you put them in together. Make a handshake between these two cables, copper cables. All right, and you kind of try and twist it a little bit. Okay, so once you have this, all we have to do is simply solder it. So what I'm gonna do is now solder this thing. Yeah, it's important to find a proper angle actually. Well, you need tools for these things, and I'm kind of lazy and I don't want to pull up any tools here at the moment. Forgive me if I sound a little bit lazy, but it's just the weekend. So all right, so let's start. Just a little bit of nice soldering. Let's check that out. It's not done properly. We're gonna use a little bit more solder. Let's check it out now. Okay. I just want to put a little bit more solder over here. Let me find something to keep it on. Why not this? That looks good now. You see that? A nice solder joint. Then the final thing, just pull this off. Your heat shrink tube right in the middle. Okay. You do not need a lighter, you do not need a matchstick, you do not need fire of any sort. All you need is your soldering iron. So you just have to move your soldering iron over the heat shrink, not on the cable definitely. And run it over. And you have a nice heat shrink tube covering and protecting it. And it looks professionally done as well. There you go. If you look at it, a nice solid joint. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching this video. Stay safe and have a great day.